Hey guys, it's Kim, Angel Dream Crafts, and just a little catch-up video. This is actually a little package that was in Edwina Kinch's Pocket Challenge entry, and it fell out of the package. I did not see it when I was filming, so I wanted to film it now. I haven't opened, I don't know what it is, and Edwina messaged me, and she was wondering where it went. Well, it fell out. As happens sometimes. I feel terrible about it, but I have been in touch with Edwina, so I wanted to come on and share it with you because Edwina was lovely enough to send me a little package of goodness. So thank you so much, Edwina, and again, I'm so sorry about that. So let me just undo this here. I'll probably just do it this way. So she's wrapped it in some lovely vintage pattern paper, which I love. And she wrapped it and tied it with this very pretty little trim here. So thank you for that, Edwina. I love that. It's so soft. And then she's used a bit of washi tape here. So let me just open that up. And that was so sweet of you to send me some goodies, Edwina. I really appreciate that. Thank you so much. So let me just open this. Oh my goodness, my dear friend. Aw, look what you did. You are the sweetest, Edwina. I'm so sorry. I didn't show this with your video, but anyway, she's gifted me this beautiful little organza bag, and look at it, in my favorite color with butterflies. Edwina knows me so well. And here she has gifted me some charms. Oh, these are really pretty. Okay, so this first one is a little piano that you can see there. And then we have the Leaning Tower of Pisa. I don't have anything like that, Edwina. And this, that almost looks like Colosseum in Rome or something, or part of it, architectural, or maybe one of the buildings in Washington. Am I wrong? You guys tell me. It's got a little heart on the top and some columns. I love that. And the Eiffel Tower. Can never have too many of those, that's for sure. A little music note. Treble clef. Treble clef. This is a passport in gold. I don't have one in gold. I had one tiny little one. Oh, and it says I love you on it. It's a little postcard. Oh, look at that. It's a postcard. Okay. I thought it was... Oh, why did I just drop that? Okay. It's a little postcard. I thought it was a passport. Look at that. The tiniest little image on that. That is so cool. I've never seen one like that before. And it says airmail, and then it says I love you on the back of the postcard. Look at that. Super cute. And then a suitcase, New York, Paris, and Tokyo. And then this is the world, little map, little sunflower, and a compass. Thank you for those, Edwina. I love charms, so thank you for that. And look at, she has hooked me up with some laces. My gosh, these are beautiful. Look at the colors. Oh, these are amazing, Edwina. Thank you, my friend. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at these. Oh, Edwina, these are beautiful. Wow. Look at this. It's in the most beautiful soft lavender color. Look at that. Oh, that is so pretty. I don't have really much at all in lavender. I don't work with it a lot, and I'm starting to really, really like it now. So thank you for that. I really love that. Oh my goodness, look at this. Oh, these are really unique and beautiful. Oh, Edwina, this is gorgeous. Look at this, you guys. Look how beautiful that is. I have never seen that before. I've never seen that lace. Never, never. Oh, that is just stunning. I love it. I love taupe and blue together. And look at all the embroidery on there. Oh my gosh, that is beautiful, Edwina. Thank you so much. Oh, wow. And then, oh, it's so pretty. Oh my goodness, Edwina, these are amazing. Look at the embroidered lace in pink and white. That is stunning. Oh my gosh, that would make such a good pocket in a journal. Oh, that's so pretty. Thank you so much, Edwina. And then look at this. Oh wow, this must be vintage. That feels like satin. Look at this. Oh my gosh, that is just absolutely stunning, and it's so incredibly soft. That totally feels like satin. The stitching is satin, I'm sure of it. Oh, Edwina, these are beautiful. I have nothing like these in my stash at all. These are absolutely beautiful. I cannot thank you enough, my dear friend, for sending me these beautiful gifts. Thank you so, so much. And please go over and check out Edwina's channel. Like I said before in my other video, Edwina is having a challenge on at the moment right now on her channel, and hopefully your package will get there very shortly to you. Everything went out the other day, so you should be having that, I'm hoping, by maybe Monday or Tuesday. So I will watch for that on your channel, my friend. But thank you, and again, I'm sorry that this got put aside, and thank you for messaging me and letting me know. I'm so glad that that I could come back and share that with you. Thank you so much, and check out Edwina's challenge on her channel, guys. And I think that's it for videos today. I'm all caught up finally. So I'm going to take a bit of a break now, and but I will be back probably tomorrow or the next day with a couple other videos because I'm really anxious to get working on some projects. So I'll be back soon, and thanks, Edwina. Talk to you guys soon. Bye for now.